Hello, good evening, everybody. I want to appreciate everybody who has been so consistent with this training. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you greatly. And today is the last day. I want to thank everybody from Nigeria who has been part of this training. Even though you did not attend, you watched recorded video, thank you. Even though you did not attend, you did not watch recorded video, you did not read the PDF, thank you. I still appreciate you for being part of the group. I appreciate you greatly. It is not easy. Thank you for being part. I want to sincerely say a very big thank you to those from other parts of the countries. From Kenya, Liberia, I got a whole lot of messages from people from other countries, UK. I want to say a very big thank you. Today is the end of the class. What are we doing today? Today, we are doing three things. We are going to talk about myfxbookcom. But before I even start about what we are doing for today, I just want to quickly announce that the advanced class is coming up on Monday, which is on Monday, which is 2nd of May, and the advanced class is ending 16th of May. What is the cost for the advanced class? The cost of the advanced class is what? 10,000 naira. If you're in Nigeria or wherever you want to pay from, the cost is 10,000 naira. And if you want to pay via dollar, you can just chat me up so that I will give you, you can pay to me via PayPal or Skrill. Are you with me? Or barter, or any means you want to pay through. You get it? So that is that. Now, don't forget, the cost for the advanced class is 10,000 naira. Now, I said something yesterday, if you've forgotten. Probably you don't have money to pay, and you are wondering, how can I subscribe to the advanced class? If you have just 2 persons, which you can just bring to the training, they pay 10,000 naira each, we automatically waive it for you. If you have 1 person, welcome, Mr. Sikiru, welcome, sir. If you have one person, yes, sir, who you can just make full payment, the person make full payment, I will waive 50% of the fee for you. So that means you are paying only 5,000 naira. But please, if you don't have anybody who you can push in to subscribe, I beg you, do yourself a favor and subscribe to this advanced class. The people that have subscribed to this advanced class, they've never regretted it for once. They've never regretted it for once. Please do yourself well by being part of this advanced. Like I said, the cost remains 10,000, and in dollar payment, you can pay to my Skrill account, or you can pay via PayPal, or you can pay through barter. Any dollar means is accepted. But if you just know, if you don't pay in dollars, chat me up. But if you want to pay in naira wherever you are, you can pay in naira. Thank you very much. Welcome. Please, one more time, for those that subscribe to my channel, I am prostrating. Thank you so much, and God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel, you get a whole lot of advantages. Sometimes I drop videos, like tomorrow morning, I'll be dropping video on something important in the Forex market. And once you get these videos, or any Forex generally, it helps you. Like I said, learning is the thing you do daily. As I'm still learning. I am still learning. Are you with me? Thank you, and God bless you. Let's start. Today is about fundamental analysis. And like I said, from fundamental analysis, we'll be looking at these following things. We'll be looking at myfxbookcom. We'll also look into what they call it, Investingcom. They'll look into Forexfactory. Now, let's say I want to go into myfxbook.com. Let's say I want to go into myfxbook.com. I'll come here. Sorry, this is my GIG account. I'll go to myfxbook.com. I'll come here. I'll just click on it. Sorry, I'm used to my old Forex account. That was exactly what came out. Or you want to see my old Forex account? All right, let's proceed. I'll go to my FX book. My FX book is actually a place whereby you can use to measure pips in the Forex market. Aside from measuring pips in the Forex market, you can also determine fundamental analysis via my FX book. Today's class, I'm really going to explain in details. So please just pay attention for you to enjoy this class. Let's say I want to trade a percentage from my account. Just go to Homes, click on Forex Calculator. Just go to Position Size Calculator. Once you go to Position Size Calculator, a tab or a section will open. So once the section opens, what do? You come here. Let's say the currency pair you want to trade is GBP USD. I love that currency pair. And what is your account currency? Probably your account currency is USD. Account size. Let's say you have $5,000 in the Forex market. Come here and type $5,000. Then let's say somebody is asking, what risk percent do I want to take? What risk percent do I want to trade from this account? Probably 4%. Pips assigned to it, 50 pips. Let's calculate. Now look at it, $200. Now, class, you know what this means? It means that you are only going to be trading $200 out of that $5,000. So what that means is, if you put the trade, you go and sleep, put your mind at rest. It's either you gain $200 or you lose $200. At least it is better than somebody who goes 100% loss. I know sometimes you can be fortunate in the market to go 100% gain, but class, it is better for us to have a good risk management whenever we are trading. If you join the advanced class, I will give you a full details, extensive class on risk management and what they call that one, trading psychology. In fact, that is a topic on its own in my advanced class. How you can manage your money so that you don't get your money burnt in the Forex market. So that's that. So now let's go to my board. Let's see if this my calculation is right or wrong. Coming to my board, I have something like this, 4% of $5,000. Let's do the mathematics. 4% is 4 over 100 times $500. Sorry, times $5,000. Zeros cancel zeros. 4 times 50 is what? That's $200. You can see that this is exactly $200. You can see that this is what? Exactly $200. So that's it. How you think? So that is it. 4% of that gives you that. So that's how that works. So now, what is the next thing I can do here? Another thing that I can do here is I can go to economic calendar. Now, let me tell you something. If there's one reason why I like trading the news, if there's one reason why I like trading the news in my myfxbookcom is because the charts, how would I put this English? There's this term I want to use. The structure and the style is so beautiful. Let's take a very good example. Let's go to economic calendar. Go to home, over down to economic calendar. Once you come to economic calendar, look at it. You have events. This is event. This is impact. This is previous. This is consensus. This is actual. This is event. This is previous. This is actual. This is consensus. Let's say I want to get a news from AUD USD, AUD. AUD is Australian dollar. I click on it. I want to use the news now to predict the market. Look at it. Private sector credit in Australia is defined as the change in credit granted to economic private sectors for housing, personal and commercial expenses, months over months. Are you with me? Now, look at it. Just look at this place. I'm happy I'm seeing this. I don't know why these adverts are just blocking my screen. I'm happy I'm seeing this. Look at what came out here. A higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bullish for AUD, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative bearish for AUD. Once you read the news, what do? Go back to the chart. Go back. Once you come here, scroll up. Once you scroll up, I always tell people, the section you should concentrate on is the impact. The section you should concentrate on is the impact. If you look at the impact, you have low, you have high, you have medium. The low is the green line, the medium is the orange color, the high is the red line. Are you with me? The high is the what? Is the red line. So I always tell people, concentrate on the high impact. This is beautiful. I have high, CHF. CHF is Swiss franc. Now look at it. Whenever the actual is greater than the previous, I repeat, whenever the actual is greater than, are you with me? So now that means that you should enter the market as a buy. But please make that decision on high impact. Come back to my screen. But whenever the previous is less than the actual, are you with me? Sorry, whenever the previous is greater than the actual, enter that market and on a sell. Please remember, you only enter that market on a sell on a high impact. Can you see? You only enter that market as a sell on a what? On a high. Let's even look for USD. Look at USD. Look at USD class. USD. You can see that this is less than this. Then this is greater than this. At this time, you might be confused initially. But the best thing is, look at this chart at this spot. After you view this chart, you can now go and use the trade to analyze it. I will show you some things. Let's proceed, class. Let's go to investing.com. Before I go to investing.com, I'll take off NFP. NFP is non-farm payroll. NFP is non-farm payroll. And then NFP takes place every first week of every month in the forex market. And what happens is, according to the Bureau of the Change of the United States, there will be a statistic of employment. So NFP would release a statistics that so and so value of number of people were employed are going to be employed in US. But if the value is greater than the statistics given, then it means that that market, in the forex market, will go on a buy. If it is less than that statistics given, it means that you should sell USD. Let's go to investing.com. I'll show you something deeper. If you have any question, you can ask me, please. If you have any question, you can ask me while I'm typing investing.com. Just drop your question in the message box. For investing.com, investing.com is also another site fundamental traders use, and they make deep analysis when it comes to investing.com. How does it work? Investing.com can tell you the pips assigned to an exchange rate or to a currency pair in a week or for weeks. Example, let's go to tools. Once you come to tools, go to tools, go to Forex volatility. Once you come to Forex volatility, you see that we have some pips here. Now, contract assigned for AUD card is 0.01 pips. Are you with me? It means what has been assigned to AUD card is 7 points. Okay. Someone said there are 2 boxes are listed. Which one should I pick? Please use, like I said, for the previous chart, make your analysis, compare it to the technical analysis. Compare it to the technical analysis. Mr. Delabu, unmute yourself. Is that clear? Compare it to the technical analysis. Mr. Delabu. Okay, I'm sure the man is there. So,
okay, sir, I'm with you, sir.
Hope that is clear. When you get that analysis
yes,
from fundamental analysis, please go to Tradingview and make your analysis. That's, you get it, sir. When you make your analysis, if it is the same, then you can enter the market for either a buy or you enter the market for either a sell. You get it? You can enter the market there for either a buy or you can enter the market for either a sell. I hope that's clear to you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all right, thank you. So now for
Yes,
AUD card, what is assigned in sell 7.01 for over the past 10 weeks? How on earth can a greedy man be looking to trade for 100 pips? Why don't you just pick 20, 30 pips and leave that currency there? Look at another one, another good example. Another good example is GPP card. GPP card is another good example. Please take your pips. What is on GPP card is 120.28 pips. Why don't you just take like 40 pips and leave the market? It is greed that makes people to burn their accounts. 10 pips, 20 pips in the forex market is not bad. As far as I'm concerned, 10 pips, 20 pips in the forex market is not bad. Please, let me show you something very important tonight, which you really enjoy. Please, I need attention here. Technical, go to technical. Please go to technical analysis. Sorry, it's not technical analysis, technical summary. Come to technical, go to technical summary. Once you come to technical summary, look at this class. Meanwhile, let's go to Tradingview. I'll show you something that will blow your mind this evening. Go to chart. Let's go to okay, now market is still going up. Can you see? Look at the strong buy. If you observe very well, this market has been buying. This market has been buying. Can you see? Just a minute. This market has been buying. Market buying. Go to time frame. It's 19th. No, we are not joking here. Buying since 4th of April. Mr. Sita.
I can see, but I'm trying to see where the date is.
Look at my cursor. Look at my cursor. You will see something.
Yes, I've seen it. Sir.
Can you see it? Can you see that?
April 1st.
April 4th. This market has been buying up. It has been buying up, sir, till today.
Okay.
And today is what date? What date are you seeing, sir?
Today is 29.
29. Can you see? Today is 29. And from there, please, I'm just a minute.
Okay, sir.
So it has been buying from 4th till this place. That is why, looking at this place, USCHF is showing you what? Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Can you see? It's showing
Yes.
you strong buy, strong
Yes.
buy, strong buy. Now, let me give you another expo on how to profit in 2 ways. If USD CHF is, if USD is on a buy, let's go to my board. You know, we have USD CHF.
Okay, yes. CHF.
It is on a buy. USD here is on a buy here. So GBP
Okay.
USD, the reverse, because USD will be on the quote. GBP USD is going to go on a sell here because it is a reverse. Can you see it? So let's go and check our Tradingview or Investingcom. Oh, you see why it's not good to lie.
Okay.
Can you see GBP USD? Strong sell, buy, strong sell. Look at Euro USD. Strong sell, neutral, strong sell. You can see the USDs, AUD USD. Strong sell, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. Can you see? So what will you do, sir? Come to this place and confirm it here. AUD USD. Let's see if Mr. Tospa is lying or he said the truth. AUD USD.
So this is not showing again.
I will display it. Don't worry. I will share my screen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It should show so that it should not look as if I'm teaching rubbish. You understand? Look at it, class. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Can you see that the cell? Hello, sir. Can you see that the cell has been taking place since 4th of April? Can you see it? The same 4th of April. It was coming down. Yes. It was coming down. The cell has seriously gone down to 28.29. Can you see it? 28.29. So, class,
okay, I
have shown you expo. This is a secret.
Sir.
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
We can say when the charting is coming down like that, is the sell. I mean sell.
It's a sell, yes, sir. When it's going up, it's a buy. It's a buy.
Buy, have you?
Yes, sir, it's a buy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It's a buy. Yes, sir. So now let me
okay,
for Forexfactory, I'll talk about that in the advanced class. I'll talk about Forexfactory.
Okay,
although Forexfactory, let me just talk about it. There's nothing to hide there. Forexfactory is just Forexfactory. Come to Forexfactory. Okay, look at Forexfactory. For the same actual previous, but it's just that this Forexfactory actual is before previous. It is the same pattern. Do you know the beauty about Forexfactory? Forexfactory even assigned a chart. To this. They even assigned a chart to this. All these are events. Look at this impact, class. Look at this impact. This time, you can see where you have yellow. Yellow is for low. Orange color is for medium. You see, as I put it there, it's showing. And you see low,
yes, sir,
medium, and high. Can you see it? High impact expected. Chasing. So it's just the same pattern. Class, I just want to show you a testimony of my student. While I was teaching you, my student I am teaching right now, which I'll be starting the class with very soon now after I stop this class, just shared something to me now. So I want you to see it so that you know I'm not lying. Okay, let me see if he can come on board and speak. Let me see if he can come on board. He's having a serious network issue. But I think this testimony will help. Class, look at it. Class, look at it. This is the profits. Can you see it, sir? Hello, sir. Are you there? This is the profits. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Are you there?
It's not showing, sir.
Are you there? Are you there?
This blank page is not showing.
Are you there? I've expressed it now. Are you there?
It's not showing. Yes, I'm with you, sir. It's not showing.
Is it showing now?
Yes, I'm there, sir.
Is it showing now? Is it showing?
I'm here. I'm with you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir, but it is not showing, sir.
Okay. Hello, sir. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Can you see my screen, sir?
I'm there, sir.
Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
And let me see, sir.
Can you see
It
my
has shown.
screen?
I've seen it.
This is
I've
the
seen it, sir.
this man made
Yes.
today. Can you see the profit you made? Please, sir, can you read the statements down there? Can you read the statements at the bottom?
Okay, close today's trade in profit again, using support and resistance. I'm really impressed with the class.
That was, hello, sir, can you read the time the man just sent the message?
I've read it, sir.
Can you read the
He
time?
said he has
Can you check the
impressed
time he sent the message? This man,
with the class.
this man sent this message as a 902. So class, this is
Now,
real.
yes.
Class, this is real. This is real.
Yes.
Nobody is going to steal your money. I am not a criminal.
Okay,
Nobody is going to steal anybody's money here. The advanced class is real. I know people took this risk and they're enjoying it today. Thank you very much. Do you have a question, sir, before we go finally?
okay.
Yeah, do you have a question finally? Do you have a question?
No question for now. I've gotten all that you have explained this night.
Thank you, sir.
No question, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, sir. All right. So have a wonderful day ahead. Hope to see you in the advanced class. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So I'll work towards that. So I will notify you once
No
I've
problem,
gotten,
sir.
because this is the festive season.
No problem, sir.
The children, stuff like that.
No problem, sir.
Thank
no
you, sir.
problem. Yes, sir.
I'm really impressed. I'm thanking you for all this effort. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir. Thank you very much, everybody. This ends this is the end of the training. Like I said, the training commences, advanced class starts on Monday, 2nd, and end on the 16th. The account details will be displayed on the screen. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now. Bye.